Good morning. It has been a lazy morning. I got up and did some laundry, watched a movie while I got ready. It's already like 10:30 on the ship, so I'm going to go down to I think it's a Vista restaurant. It's on 3 aft, and go have some sea day brunch. Getting hungry. The one thing I always forget is that I can't get to the aft on deck 3. I have to go to deck 4. Here we go. I'm gonna go and then go down the hallway, then go down 1 floor. So here's the Heroes Bar.
As series go on and matches
I thought they were doing
transpire. First game, Simone was very effective.
And go down. You're gonna pass also a little bit of the Pixel area here. So this is all deck 4. And then the Limelight Lounge is right there. I don't know what they're doing in there. Doing something. Keep coming down. And go this way. And this is the top part of the Vista. And the other day it was open, but now we're gonna go down. We'll go down the stairs and get to the entrance. So this is the main entrance right here. Okay. The laundry. I actually kept putting my card on there because the dryer wouldn't work. So anyway, dryer didn't work. So I came down to get services to redo those charges. Let me see which way I am on this way. Alright. So anyway, so now I am going back to my room because I prefer to use the restroom in my own cabin. So anyway, good breakfast. I am so full from that breakfast. I had the huevos rancheros and hash browns, bacon, and good morning. and the Danish. Some hot tea. I love hot tea. It was so good. I'm so full. This is the first time I've been in the Liquid Lounge, or the theater, main theater. It's on the front, so forward, decks 4 and 5. And if you come in on 5, you can go by the elevator, you can go all the stairs down to 4 if you want to come in on the main area, or you can come in, if you come in, then there's also some stairs on the inside as well. So, we have this is going to be Deal or No Deal, so I'm going to be watching this. I've seen a little bit on it in some vloggers, but not really paid attention. Obviously, I've seen the show, maybe back in the day, a few times. Wasn't like I don't want to say it wasn't popular, but it wasn't popular with me. So I thought, okay, I've been in the theater, time, come and check this out. I've been kind of just, it's C-Day, so just come and kind of lounging around. I went to C-Day brunch, watched them close. I've just been kind of kicking back most of the day. So just thought I'd head on over here. Still kind of in my swimsuit cover-up. So I'm just going to check this out and then see what's next. I was going to go to some trivia too, so we'll see if that happens. We'll see. Never know. This is a masked venue, and it basically just says zip and mask up again. Like, don't take it off. So, anyway, alright, it's going to start in about 5 minutes, so plenty of space. They actually called out and said it was going to start to remind people, and more people are kind of checking in, so.
Go ahead. I know you're a little tall. You can go ahead and speak into the mic for me. Yeah. So, are you familiar with Deal or No Deal?
Yes, I am.
All right. Perfect. Now let's explain. I'm sure you know what's going on up here. It's an elimination style. First, you're gonna pick your case, and then we got some eliminating to do. Audience, what's gonna happen is when he's eliminating cases, you're opening up that case. If what's in your case is what's in that case, that's called a match. You're playing a matching game. The more matches you make, the more money and prizes you're gonna win. Does that make sense? He's checked in with the family. What are we thinking? Finish it. No deal. Let's just finish this game. Let's do this. 65 with the bingo. 13 casino. 3 now with for 50 bucks. Bring them home. Bring yourself home. Let's go ahead and reveal the final case. Audience, get ready. This is when I ask you now. There's only 2 cases left. Do you keep your case? Do we keep it? And whatever's in there is your prize. Or do you want to swap it? Instead, we're going to open case 14. We're opening case 14. 25, which means all along in your case, it contained $20. Well, this is a conundrum between 20 to 1,000. I've never seen such a close game. The banker's gonna give his offer. I think he's nervous to push the button. There you go. He's sweating. Don't be fooled. He's fanning himself because he is hot in there. He's trying to play the cool card, but he's offering $459. I can't lie and say I've never seen such a high number offered before. He wasn't shocked. He had no words for me. He must be angry. You've got him shaking in his boots now. We're at a 50-50 shot here though, if you continue. Or the $459. Open the case, be careful. Audience, who would take this deal? Who says no deal? Easier for you to say, I bet, isn't it? Lori, this is a tough one.
Okay, my husband says
no. Deal! Here we go. 25 people now with $50 out there. 5 people. You're killing it out there, folks. Great job. We're winning money out there. 51 bingo cards more. 20 $30 casino fun plays. Let's get this game over with. I can't stop sweating. I am so nervous. This is it. Lori, do you keep that lucky number 2? Or do you swap it?
I'm gonna keep it.
You're keeping number 2. You're gonna keep it. What, does number 2 signify anything special for you? Why did you pick number 2?
My mother-in-law picked
It was the mother-in-law, wasn't it? Is mother always right?
it. Yes.
A mother is always right, she says. So you were keeping number 2. That means we have to open case 14, which contains $20, which means Lori, in your case, sweet baby Jesus, you have just won $1,000. Lori, go ahead next to it. Go ahead next to it for your photo op. Right over here, smile at the camera. Face this money. $1,000.
Well, that was fantastic. The lady won $1,000 at the Deal or No Deal. A couple behind me, I was in the last theater seating row, but then they have some pub tables along the back wall, and so this couple came and were sitting up there, and they were just like, "No deal, what's wrong with you guys? Why are you gambling, taking her money?" And then everyone was like, "No deal, no deal." And some people were saying, yeah, take the money. The banker offered her up to, I think it was $450 at one time. Finally, she got down to the 2 cases. And I'm just like, you know what? The thought is you go in with no money. If you walk out with no money, you still had a good time. If you walk out with some money, you had a better time, right? Anyway, she didn't take the deal and she won $1,000. So awesome. So congratulations to Lori.
Okay, so I watched the movie Respect. That was so good. And then I decided to come up here, and they're going to have the Panorama Rock Band do like an 80s tribute type thing. So they're trying to do some shows, which is kind of nice. This isn't probably the usual. Figured I'd watch this, and then if I ever come back on the Panorama, there'll be some different shows, right? Anyway, it's getting ready to start.
And the show right there. My goodness, folks. One more time, give it up for Rubber Duck. Come on now. Thank you for joining us for tonight's show. Of course, you can catch them in the Ocean Plaza tomorrow. They've got a few sets on the Ocean Plaza in Deck 5F. Now, like I said, it is party time right now, folks. I'm about to race up. I'll race you upstairs. Deck 10 is the place to be for our Silent Night disco party. Go over there to the fun squads there handing out headphones.
All right, so that was a really good loungy day. I didn't do too much. They're trying to do so much to try to make sure that we're having a great time, putting the band in and stuff, and then silent disco last night. Of course, this is probably a regular thing. We were told over the speaker earlier that there's a limited amount of headphones. I didn't actually stay in line to see if they would run out. I just decided that I was just going to kind of watch everybody. You can literally tell the songs that are coming on based on the singing and the movements. So it was really fun to watch that for a little bit, and then I decided I'm gonna crash. So I decided to go to bed. It was just such a loungy sea day, and I kind of liked that. Didn't do too much, you know. The movie Respect was great, and I just had a really good time just relaxing. Oh, I'm gonna hit the sack. A few last minute things that I wanted to try to do. Definitely want to try to see. The thing is that going solo, no one's going to be recording me going on the sky ride or going in the whatever you call it, the ropes course or anything like that. It's just one of those things. I can do it, tell you I did it, but you're not gonna know. You're not gonna know. So that's my goal for tomorrow. So that's the plan, but we shall see if it may be another lazy day. After you've had like 3 days in port, having a couple days to just relax, read, watch movies. There are some trivia that's going on tomorrow that I think would be really good. So I may go do that too. I'm going to go see the morning show. I definitely want to go do that in the morning because I have not done that yet. Kind of nice. And hit a comedy show. I'd love to see the Limelight Lounge. I'd like to be able to get into there. Well, that's it for this evening. Let's see if this carries over. If not, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the little notification bell. Take care.